So as tech companies continue to outdo themselves in doing the most sleazy things possible just because they don't trust us to open up our own hardware, good old Uncle Valve is at it again to show them all how it's done. Because even before the release of the Steam Deck, Valve released an in-depth teardown of the Steam Deck to show people how to replace basic parts if necessary and to show us how exactly it looks on the inside. So let me get this straight. Valve are literally showing us how to repair stuff in our Steam Deck and even has a full-on tutorial showing us exactly what all the parts on the inside look like, while we still have companies like Apple who don't even trust us to open up our laptops. What a world we live in. If you haven't seen the video yet, then I highly recommend you do. It's coming up in the iCards. It's actually very interesting and it shows a lot on how the Steam Deck will look. As we all imagine, there is a lot of hardware crammed into it, which does make cooling a big challenge, and from what we've seen, there really isn't as much cooling in it as we all hope for, and looking at it, there really doesn't seem to be a lot of cooling going on inside. So unless they're doing some super special things, that CPU and GPU are going to be running super hot, but we just have to wait and see exactly what kind of effect that's going to have on performance. But I think the most interesting part is the doorways this opens for modding of the Steam Deck, because seeing how open Valve are being about it, I can imagine people very quickly finding ways to squeeze even more performance out of the Steam Decks, or even, I don't know, create their own homemade enclosures for the thing. Because just by seeing how open and cool Valve is with all of this, then you know for sure that the Steam Deck is going to have a lot of love and support from the tinkering community, who are probably going to create some crazy stuff with it. But more than anything, the statement this makes is absolutely huge. Because a company that's so big like Valve actually being okay with people tinkering with their own hardware is so refreshing compared to what so many other companies are doing. And hopefully it's just going to be a spiral effect that's going to affect the industry in a great way. So let me know what you think of all of this. Let me know what you thought of the Steam Deck teardown, and also, hey, if you want me to get a Steam Deck so I can maybe tinker with it on this very channel, then maybe check out my channel's Patreon, because even $1 a month goes a long way in helping my channel and allows me to make way better videos, along with videos on way more interesting topics. I'd also love to thank my existing patrons Gavin Burns, Brian, LKB, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lance B, and Coming Age Clothing. Thank you guys so much, support truly goes a long way. Down there you also can find our Amazon associates links, plus then there's also our Discord server if you want to talk to me over to our Discord or whatever else really, plus then there's our social media links as well. But anyway, that's what it is, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone, be good, bye.